Hey, what's up guys? Stink here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the TheValk3 Speed Cube. So, I just got this a couple minutes ago, and I put 5 solves in it already. Excuse me, sorry. But, anyway, I think this is actually a pretty good speed cube. It would be good for more advanced speed cubers, but I'm not so advanced. My record, which I got a new record with this, is 1 minute 42 seconds. So yeah, I'm not that good. I'm not like 4 seconds fast, but I'm pretty average. You know, not like the cube record average, but if I can get this out. And it's the colors are painted on there, so it's one of the it doesn't have black lines around it, so it just looks like this. But yeah, here is the TheValk3. Oh, it doesn't say the TheValk3, but it says it on here, the TheValk3. But yeah, so it's got it does pretty well. I like it a lot. You know, I actually think it would be good for starters, so then they can actually, one, learn how to solve it fast, and two, actually get to know that this cube is good, which I don't know if that's a number, but whatever. Alright, so yeah, I don't know if this is, I don't know what corner cutting is, but if you do, tell me, because I'm kind of curious. But in the middle, they're dividing colors, like blue, yellow, red, white, and so on. But yeah, I'm gonna do a solve on it. So yeah, that's gonna be about now if I don't have anything else to say. Yeah, I don't really have anything else to say about this cube other than it's great and it's a really good speed cube. Alright. So, if any of you guys are out there, try to time me, see what my time is. Alright. Otherwise, I'll just figure it out myself. Ready? Oh, hold on, I gotta look at the cube first. I totally forgot about that. Alright. Looking good. Gotta do that first, then this. No, this, then that. Yes, okay. And 3, 2, 1, go. Alright. Oh, God. Whoops. Alright. That's orange. Whoa. All right. Sorry if you can't really see the cube, I hold it low. Done. Okay. That might have been a new record, I'm not sure. I'll have to check. But yeah, that's the TheValk3. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye!